So here's how to get profit and loss in QuickBooks online. First of all, open up your web browser and search for QuickBooks. After that, click on the first link on the results. So then, you need to log in to your QuickBooks account or buy your subscription. So once you're in your account, you will get to see this dashboard. From here, go over to the left panel and select Reports. So once you're in the Reports section, you will get to see options like Standard, Custom Reports, and Management Reports. From Standard, go over to Profit and Loss right here. After that, you will get to see your profit and loss details on this page. You can also set the report period on the top left like this. You can select the month and the from and to date. Also, you can select Display Columns By, and there are a lot of options to choose from. So just choose the configurations you want and you will get to see your profit and loss in QuickBooks online.